Hi, welcome to video 2. This is on 2.2 impulse. Says calculate the impulse. And again, you should have this handy dandy formula sheet. Yours is on a pretty color. Impulse is equal to force times time. The force given in the problem is 1700 newtons times a time of 0.03. Calculator at the ready. Times 0.03 should be 51 Newton seconds. Number 9, how are force and time related? Remember, if they're on the same side, they are inversely related. How are force and impulse related? If they go across the equal sign, they are directly related. Number 10, a stunt person jumps from the roof of a tall building, but no injury occurs because the person lands in a large air-filled bag. Decide why no injury occurs by completing the sentence using the word decreases force, impact, increases, and time. So the large air-filled bag should be decreases the amount of time. Nope, that's backwards. Sugar. Number 10. A stunt person jumps from the roof of a building, but no injury occurs because the person lands on a large air-filled bag. Describe why no injury occurs by completing the sentence using the words decreases, force, impact, increases, and time. So the large air-filled bag increases, and I'm just going to pick him up and move him down here, increases the amount of time for the impact, and therefore the amount of force decreases. So the sentence will read, the large air-filled bag increases the amount of time for the impact, and therefore the amount of force decreases. Number 11, a 4.5 kilogram stone is released from rest and falls towards the earth. After 2 seconds, it's traveling 19.6 meters per second. When it strikes the ground, it takes 0.003 seconds to stop and has an impulse of 650 Newton seconds. How much force? From your formula sheet, force is equal to impulse divided by time. Well, we got to decipher this problem. Remember, you're looking for units. The units of impulse are Newton seconds. 650 is the number given with Newton seconds. Slash means divide. And now I need the time in the problem. Well, I got to be very, very careful because there are 2 times given in the problem, but I want the time of impact. It takes 0.003 seconds to stop. That's the time I need in the question. So 650 divided by 0.003 is equal to 216666.7. Wow. Newtons of force. That was a tough one. Number 12. Calculate the time. Time is equal to impulse divided by force. The impulse given in the problem is 700 Newton seconds divided by the force of 7,000 newtons. Be sure you type it correctly. 700 divided by 7,000 is 0.1 seconds. Question 13. What amount of force? Force is equal to impulse divided by time. The impulse given in the problem is 17,000 Newton seconds divided by a time of 1.2 seconds. 17,000 divided by 1.2 is equal to 14166.7, again, newtons. And 14, what is the impulse of a kick? Impulse is equal to force times time. Force given in the problem is 3,000 times a time of 0.72. 3,000 times 0.72 is 2,160 Newton seconds. See you in the next video.